Today I'm going to show off ChemDoodle's selection tools. There are three selection tools. There's the rectangular marquee tool, which allows you to select objects on the doodle board that lie within a rectangular area. There's the lasso tool, which allows you to select objects on the doodle board in a freeform area. And then there's the lasso only shapes tool, which works the same way as the lasso tool, except it only selects non-chemical objects. Now, when you're clicking and dragging with all three of these tools to select things, you can use the keyboard keys as modifiers and introduce new behavior. Holding down the shift key while dragging with the lasso tool adds objects to the currently existing selection or removes them, whatever the case may be. Holding down the Alt key and then clicking on objects will remove them individually, like so. Note that the mouse cursor is turned to an index finger. And holding down Shift and Alt simultaneously will allow you to add or remove a whole molecule at once if you click on one of its constituent atoms. Now, once you have this selection area, it's very easy to translate molecules. Just click and drag when you see the mouse cursor into this hand shape, and you can translate objects all across the board. You can scale objects by clicking in one of these squares in each of the corners, like so. And to rotate, just move your mouse to the edge of the transform area until you see this cursor, and then just spin away to your heart's content. Now, there are, of course, some very useful keyboard shortcuts to be aware of. Pressing Command A or Control A on Windows and Linux will select everything on the doodle board at once. Pressing the Tab key will cycle between all the molecules on the doodle board. And pressing Shift and Tab will cycle between all the shapes. Finally, if you want to deselect, there are three ways to do that. The first one, which I used just a moment ago, is to hit the space key. The second one would be, if you have something selected, to double-click within the selection area. And the third one is to just click once outside of the selection area. That's it.